Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fetch all bookmarks to Microsoft Edge from Chrome. If you're using Microsoft Edge and you want to import all of your bookmarks to your Microsoft Edge, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your Microsoft Edge and here just click on these three dots in the top right, then go to settings. In settings, click on profiles, and in profile, you just have to log in with your account if you're not logged in. So very first, let's try to log in or sign in with your Google account. So let's say I'm gonna sign in with my account here. And once you have signed in, you must see a this type interface here. You just have to click on sync, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled all of these toggles. So it's if everything or anything from here is not enabled, so just try to enable that. Once you have enabled, it will take a time, almost 5 to 10 seconds, or if your data is in lots, so you might take 10 minutes. So you just have to try to resync if you have some new data. If you can't find some of your data here, so all of your data will be synced through Chrome to your Microsoft Edge, and after that, all of your bookmarks will be available in your Microsoft Edge. So in this way, you can easily import all of your bookmarks to Microsoft Edge. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.